These are the elevators here at the Ocean Hideway Condominiums in Ocean City, Maryland. Oh my God. I cannot believe they replaced the Brailleys. Here, there. And you know, all we have here are originally your armor, modernized by Delaware. What? Padding? Looks like there's padding on this one. Was 6. Door. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. And that's 6. Look. Who to turn off the lights? There's like a little light left, but that's what the original camping looked like. Let me turn this down, G. And the Brailleys still remain the same as always. And now we get the other one. Because these two elevators have different speeds. There's the time I filmed number 4 was with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus phone. No kidding. Padding on this one. Uh-oh. And this area is wet. Gotta be careful not to slip. And that's gonna happen. Talk about a small cab. I sure like it. Oh, Jeep. Certificate's over there. Emergency phone button, and the capacity is 2,500 pounds. Or I stopped. Looks like the fast only goes outside to the beach. Look at you. Well, the floor's so wet. Probably there's people coming back from the beach. Such close. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.